Hey there guys, what's going on? Today in this tutorial video I'm going to be covering how to sketch a pose using foreshortening. Now when applying foreshortening to figure drawing, there's two things you want to keep in mind. One is basic principles of perspective, and two are proportions. So in this example I'm going to be showing a character that's flying towards the viewer from the front view, and he's going to have his arm extended with a clenched fist. So in terms of proportion, the fist is going to be the largest object of the character because it's closest to the viewer, and the feet are going to be the smallest because they're furthest away. So with that being said, why don't we dive right into it?